Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Dear fellows, today in this video you can see very trendy and beautiful short bob haircut styles. Dear viewers, are you tired of the same old hairdo and looking for a bold change that exudes confidence and style? Look no further than the sensational Pixie Bob haircut. In this exciting YouTube video, I will delve into the world of this edgy and versatile hairstyle that has taken the fashion sense by storm. So guys, if you are ready to embrace a new era of self-expression through your hair, join me in this exhilarating YouTube video as I unravel the magic of the Pixie Bob haircut. Get inspired, get excited, and get ready to rock this chic style statement that makes waves in the fashion world. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are also eager to redefine their look with this fabulous haircut. So guys, along with these videos, moreover, I will address common misconceptions about the Pixie Bob, debunking and myths surrounding its manageability and versatility. In this video, you can see very useful maintenance ideas and very unique tips and creative styles and haircut shapes, and ensure it continue to look its best at it throughout. Debunking the notions that short hair is high manageable. Finally, I will conclude the video with a gallery of before and after transformations showcasing the incredible power of the Pixie Bob haircut, enhancing one's overall look and confidence. So guys, you can pick all the stylish ideas by this video. I will also showcase the Pixie Bob's popularity amongst the fashion-forward celebrities. Take inspirations from icon stars who have embraced this chic style. From Hollywood A-listers of the fashion influencers, you will see how the Pixie Bob has become a go-to haircut for those who want to make a striking statement with their appearance. So guys, share this. Thanks for watching. Take care.